If you're looking to level up your kitchen experience, the Ninja Foodi 10-quart DualZone Smart XL Air Fryer, model DZ550, is one of the most powerful and versatile appliances you can own. With two large, independent 5-quart baskets and advanced smart features, this air fryer isn't just about convenience. It's about efficiency, control, and perfectly cooked meals every single time. One of the standout features of this air fryer is its DualZone technology, which allows you to cook two different foods in two different ways, simultaneously. Gone are the days of cooking in batches or reheating cold food while the rest finishes. Whether it's crispy chicken wings in one basket and roasted veggies in the other, or two completely separate dishes, the Smart Finish function ensures both are done at the exact same time, so everything hits the table fresh and hot. Another game-changer is the Foodi Smart Thermometer, built right into the unit. This isn't just a gimmick, it takes the guesswork out of cooking meats and other temperature-sensitive dishes. Whether you want your steak rare, medium, or well done, just set the temperature and let the smart system handle the rest. It's precision cooking made effortless. If you're preparing a large batch of the same food, like wings or fries, the Match Cook feature allows you to mirror settings from one basket to the other with a single touch. This makes full use of the 10-quart capacity, giving you the ability to cook up to 8 pounds of wings or 2 6-pound chickens, which, by the way, cooks up to 30% faster than a traditional oven. When it comes to cooking modes, the Ninja Foodi DZ550 doesn't hold back. You get 6 versatile functions: air fry, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and air broil. Whether you're crisping up some fries, roasting veggies, baking dessert, or even making your own jerky, this appliance has you covered. And thanks to the IQ Boost technology, it intelligently distributes power between the baskets for maximum efficiency, even when you're not using Smart Finish or Match Cook. Cooking with the Ninja Foodi is not only fast and effective, but also incredibly intuitive. The digital interface is simple to use, and the temperature range, from 105 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, gives you precise control over every meal. The crisper plates and baskets are non-stick and dishwasher safe, making cleanup just as easy as cooking. Even the drip trays and accessories are designed for hassle-free maintenance. Let's not forget the design. Modern, compact, and sleek in gray, it fits nicely on your countertop without taking over your entire kitchen. And for new users or anyone looking for inspiration, it comes with a 15-recipe guide to help you get started right away. To wrap it up, the Ninja Foodi DualZone Smart XL Air Fryer is everything you need in a kitchen appliance: smart, fast, powerful, and versatile. It's perfect for large families, busy professionals, or anyone who wants to cook delicious, healthier meals without spending hours in the kitchen. With its 2 independent cooking zones, precision smart thermometer, and 6 cooking modes, it offers a cooking experience that's hard to beat. If you're thinking of investing in an air fryer that does it all, this is the one to get. The Ninja Foodi DZ550 is more than just an appliance, it's a total kitchen upgrade.